Brigada Eskwela reminds us that educating a child is never the work of one person alone. It takes a community, it takes a village. It takes parents, teachers, government, private sectors, partners, and ordinary citizens coming together because we all believe that our children deserve the best possible future. Today, we also celebrate the turnover of this wonderful school building. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the Dynacast and to the Wong family for your generosity and commitment to education. Sir Edward, Tita, dagan kayo salamat. Please give them a round of applause. I know that this building will be a place where dreams will grow, talents will be discovered, and future leaders will be shaped. Malay mo na ay future governor din mo. And because we share the same commitment investing in our learners, I am pleased to announce that the province of Cebu will be pledging 5 million for the establishment of a speech laboratory in this building for the students of Subangdaku Elementary School. Now, it is my goal that eventually most of our schools will have a speech laboratory to increase our English proficiency. Because in our tourism, our terminal is education tourism. So of course, we have to make sure that our students will be proficient in English. And by creating the speech lab, I'm sure this will help them a great deal. We hope this facility will help young learners build confidence, strengthen their communication skills, and prepare them for the opportunities that await them in the future. This is going to be the pilot school, and eventually we will be building all throughout the province. Together, let us continue investing in our children because when we invest in education, we invest in the better future for Cebu. Daghang salamat ug padayon ta sa pag-alagad alang sa atong kabataan-unang Cebuanon. Thank you very much.